What is that?
S.
That's backwards. Okay, what is T for?
Me.
T for what?
For Terrence.
Oh, okay. And then?
J for Davin. S for Scott. J for Jessica.
Good job, baby.
You want to try making a pattern with?
No. Show me your other pattern. Where's your other pattern?
I want one
With what?
with letters pattern. T. J.
Why are you sad? Gavin,
T.
why are you sad?
J.
Huh?
T. J. T. J. T. J.
What?
T.